If you want a six-pack, stop wasting time on exercises that barely activate your abs. Scientists tested 13 different ab exercises and measured how much muscle activation each one produced. One of them activated the abs 248% more than regular crunches, and another hit 310%. Yes, 310%. That's not a typo, it's been proven in multiple studies. Most AB exercises work by squeezing your abs in a shortened position. That's fine, but it leaves massive gains on the table. And here's the funny thing, the one exercise that actually builds incredible abs. Most people try it once, say, "This is too hard," and never do it again. Then they wonder why they can do 50 crunches and still not see their six-pack. The truth is simple. The harder exercise, the one people quit instantly, is the same exercise professional athletes and fitness models use to get those insane sculpted abs that look carved from stone. So what is it? The ab wheel rollout. Most people try it, feel their lower back hurt, and give up. Not because the exercise is bad, but because their form is bad. Here's the right way. Get on your knees and place the ab wheel under your shoulders. Brace your core like someone's about to punch you. Roll forward with straight arms. Keep your back flat, not curved, not sagging, perfectly flat. Only roll as far as you can maintain that flat back. When it breaks, that's your limit. Pull yourself back with your abs. That's how real muscle is built. Long-range tension, not tiny crunch movements. But the rollout isn't the only exercise you need, because once you can do lots of reps of any movement, your abs stop growing. Research from Renaissance Periodization and the National Strength and Conditioning Association is very clear. Once you pass 20 to 30 reps, you're building endurance, not muscle. So the solution is simple. You need an ab exercise that lets you add weight forever. Weighted cable crunch. This is one of the most underrated ab exercises ever, and studies show it produced 310% activation in the obliques, 3 times more than regular crunches. Here's how to do it. Attach a rope to a high cable. Kneel 2 to 3 feet back from the machine. Bring the rope next to your head. Keep your hips forward and locked in place. They do not move. Crunch your spine downward, bringing your ribcage toward your hips. Hold at the bottom for 1 to 2 seconds and squeeze hard. Your arms should only hold the rope, they don't pull. Your abs do the work. Start with 20 to 40 pounds and do 12 to 15 reps for 3 to 4 sets. When you hit 15 clean reps, add 5 pounds next session. Infinite progression equals infinite gains. Next is the king of lower ab activation. Hanging leg raises. People think this is about lifting your legs. It's not. Here's the real technique. Hang from a bar and pull your shoulders down. Bring your knees up toward your chest. Then crunch your lower abs to bring your knees even closer. Hold for 1 second. Lower slowly. That second part, the lower stomach crunch, is what fires the abs up to 310%. If hanging is too hard, use the captain's chair. Next up is the simple floor exercise that absolutely shocked researchers, bicycle crunches. This one activated the abs 248% more than regular crunches. The reason? One side of your abs contracts while the other side stretches. And you switch every second, so there's 0 rest. How to do it right? Hands beside your head, don't pull your neck. Shoulders stay lifted the whole time. No resting. Right knee in, left shoulder crosses over. Then switch. Left knee in, right shoulder crosses. Go slow. 2 to 3 seconds per side. Do 10 to 15 reps per side for 3 sets. When it gets easy, slow it down even more. Finally, we hit the most neglected part of your abs, the lower section below the belly button. Decline bench, reverse crunch. Set a decline bench to 30 to 45 degrees. Hold the top of the bench behind your head to anchor yourself. Bend your knees and lift your feet off the bench. Lift your hips off the bench by curling your lower abs. Hold for 1 second at the top. Lower slowly. The key? Your hips must lift off the bench. If only your legs move, you're not hitting your lower abs. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps twice a week. These 5 exercises, done with perfect form, will build a stronger, thicker, more defined six-pack than any amount of crunches ever could. The science is clear. The results speak for themselves. Just stay consistent and watch your abs finally show up.